So this is a set of LS heads. Obviously LS heads are common for breaking off the exhaust manifold studs. I actually had 3 in this one. I actually just took that one out. We got this one and got another one way over here to still do. But I wanted to make a quick video and show you how to actually remove them. So you're lucky if you had the stud sticking out. If you're still flush, it's a little bit tougher. You might have to drill and tap, or you might have to get the welder out. But in these cases, I'm very lucky, got the stud. So it's a real easy fix to do. All you need is a pair of vice grips here. And I have a small oxyacetylene welder, or oxyacetylene gas. So you can look in back over here. I bought that for, I think, $45 from Tractor Supply. Came with the oxygen, the map, and the hose. So what we're going to go do is going to start this up, and we're going to go ahead and heat up that bolt. Now I want to go ahead and heat it up until it gets about cherry red, and then once the bolt gets cherry red, I apply a little bit of heat on the head, not much, just a little bit, to make sure the heat gets down into the bottom part of the bolt. So now it's red, a little bit of heat on the head, not too much, and then hit the bolt one more time, go ahead and turn it off, and then we're going to take our vice grips here, and get a nice clamp on it. Okay, and then by supporting the other side, you're just going to want to spin. And you can see right there, it is spinning the bolt out. Grab another bite. Angle the vice grips just right. You can go ahead and take full passes at it. And just continue to walk it all the way out. So that's even easier than getting the welder out or anything like that. I tried it with the welder, had some issues with it, but nice and easy. I'm going to take the head stud, toss that in the trash. So that's a quick, easy way to get exhaust manifold bolts out when they're broken off. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll have a link in the description to these parts. And yeah, until next time, thanks for watching.